Joker, I am so done thinking about you.
I'm like an earworm you just can't shake.
Time to step on you. Got some things you need to hear.
Let's hear what you got.
That's exactly what you don't want. Combat's all about controlling conflict.
Easier said than done.
Point taken. Got no problem beating you down.
Haven't you forgot, Black Canary? Remember about Bat's no killing rule.
Gonna wish you were dead when I'm through.
As my new mall, you'll do nicely.
In your dreams, clown.
Methinks the Canary does protest too much. All right, Black Canary, sing for us, little birdie.
Don't you have a crossroads to haunt?
I'd rather make music with you. How about a smile?
That would be a no.
Ugh, there's no use to talking to some people. Care for a game of five-finger fillet?
You want to be crippled for life?
Oh, how I've missed your rippy whippatay. It's time for us to part.
Shove it.
That pie hole should be sewed shut.
That was uncalled for.
You'd be delicious better than fried.
Oh, hell no.
This farce has been played out.
Better plug your ears.
That pie hole should be sewed shut.
Want your fingers bitten off? Here comes the showstopper.
Thank you.
I can go all night.
This is a solo act, dear.
Gonna shove my fist up your...
Maybe I could go for a polish.
You love it when I hurt you.
Quite the conundrum, isn't it?
I can go all night.
This is a solo act, dear.